Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on HDFC Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on HDFC Bank with a price target of Rs 2100. HDFC Bank reported steady inline performance in Q1. The bank reported healthy average ROA of 1.9% and average ROE of 16.7%. Bank reiterated and is confident of sustaining ROA of 1.9 to 2.1% for the merged entity also. The investment thesis of the banks looks solid, while at the same time we need to acknowledge that mobilization of retail deposits remain a key monitorable to sustain healthy loan growth. There are certain additional near-term challenges also in terms of integration, but bank has a good track record of strong execution capabilities, has consistently delivered superior performance, and its track record is unmatched across the sector. The stock is currently trading at 2.5 times FY24 estimated book value and 2.2 times FY25 estimated book value per share. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. Next on radar is TCI Express. Our analyst has a buy rating on TCI Express with a price target of Rs 2070, considering favorable risk reward and high earnings growth trajectory over the next 2 years. The company targets a 17 to 18% year-on-year revenue growth for FY24, led by 15% year-on-year volume growth guidance, while it expects 100 bps year-on-year expansion in operating profit margin. The company continues to focus on investment in new sorting centers along with automation of existing centers with a planned capex of Rs 500 crore over FY23 to FY28. TCI has a strong balance sheet, a healthy cash flow generation capacity, and high return ratios. Its new services Cold Chain Express, Rail Express, and C2C Express have started contributing revenue, which is expected to scale up going ahead. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.